Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy pepper in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for a general goods store, which is signified by the sack icon, go near it, and to talk to the NPC, press F. Like so. Select the first option, which will bring up the general goods store menu, and from here search for pepper, which is right over here. Click on it, and on the bottom right side of your screen you'll see an option called purchase. Click on it. As you can see, it's going to cost 70 mora. So to go through with the purchase, click on this purchase button and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming